In this video, I will be discussing the different degree and certificate plans that are offered at Jefferson College. To locate these degree plans and certificate plans, you can find them under the Academics tab on the MyJeffCo homepage. As discussed in video 2, you will find the different Associate of Arts degrees offered at Jeffco. And these are the first links at the top of the list. The Associate of Arts degree plan is the typical plan students are looking to obtain to transfer to the university of their choice. So with this degree plan, you need to complete 62 credit hours. And as you can see, this degree plan is divided into different sections. So of those 62 hours, 9 need to be communications. There'll need to be 9 hours of humanities, 3 hours of mathematical sciences, and so forth. Of the humanities, these are the courses that would meet those qualifications. You only need to complete 9 hours, but you will need to complete them from at least 2 different areas. So you cannot take all 3 of the art courses to qualify for a humanities. You could take 2 arts and then a foreign language to meet your requirements for humanities and fine arts. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll also find COL 100, 101 that fulfills the first year experience section of your degree plan. These bold headings on the side are what you're going to need to use for that degree requirement met column on the Future Focus plan. But if you look at other degree plans, you will see that they look different. If you look at a business management degree plan, you can see the format is different from the typical AA. With this plan, you can see the students have the option of earning a certificate or a degree. With the degree, you will be completing 65 to 67 credit hours. For the certificate, it's 35 to 37. And you will just be completing the courses that are X'd in this column. Here you can see these are the requirements for the degree. You would still need 3 hours of communications, humanities, social behavioral sciences, etc. But you'll also be focusing on the business management courses listed at the top of the plan. These bold headings will be what you will need to complete that column on the Future Focus plan, the degree requirement met column. For these courses that are just related to your degree plan, for the degree requirement met column, you can put in degree plan. If you are looking to complete a nursing degree, for this assignment and to begin that degree, you will need to complete the Certificate Nursing LPN. These courses listed at the bottom are the courses that are required before you can enter into the program. So these courses you will need to complete, request to be admitted into the program, and then complete the P&E courses. These need to be taken in a sequential order, so you'll need to check the course catalog to be sure that they are offered the semesters that you are wanting to take them. The degree plan will be what you will use to complete the degree requirement met column of the Future Focus plan. If you have any questions about your degree plan or this section of the Future Focus plan, be sure to contact your instructor.